What's up everyone? So for today we are going to do we're going to be installing some new calipers for the Datsun. Man, there's been a lot of changes going on, but we have our steering wheel already for the Datsun as well, and we've done a lot to do it since the last time you guys saw it. So the last time you guys saw this car, we did the EGR delete. But as you guys can see, there's wheels on there. We had to buy spacers because the fronts didn't fit. Let me go over this real quick. It's having new door locks. I have to find the seal for this right now. A new trim piece. Well, actually, no, that one's gonna get replaced. I don't know if I'm gonna fix this or not yet. Also, we did a new short hub adapter. We fixed up some of the wiring, and I vacuumed it as much as I could with the small Home Depot vacuum I had. And actually this car now turns on pretty easily because I found out it has a kill switch in it, so you know, now I fixed that. And now let's get to this, because today again we're doing rotors, and there's a nice surprise under this car. If you take this guy off, this spins so freely. Okay, let's leave it here. So this is what was my issue. This rotor, well, or if it moves in and out now, it still just rotates, but we're missing a caliper for it, and of course this guy's all rusted up. So what we're going to be doing is installing some stainless steel brake lines, and I'm assuming it's just from this piece here, and we're putting on some Toyota 4Runner vented calipers. And I bought the whole kit from Silvermine Motorsports, so we'll be doing that right now. Again, I don't have a mount, but just to show you guys a little bit of what's going on here. You just need a small 10 mil, and I think this one was already really either rusted up and bad. Let me show you guys, so you guys can see that there. It just doesn't look the best. And I'm pretty sure I replaced this one not that long ago, maybe 5 years ago. I'm not going to worry about that, just worry about this piece right here. Okay, so this is like rusted on. I'll have to figure out how to take that off. I'm probably just going to move forward and removing all this here. And I most likely will not be able to finish this today, because I just realized I'm gonna have to go back to the store and find the hardware, because these bolts in the back are missing, and the kit that I bought from Silvermine Motors does not have it. And I'm assuming it's because typically when you buy a car like this, or the whole kit, some things should still be on the car. So again, my fault. Okay, so after much persuasion, we take this one out. Now, nothing's there. This is gonna get an upgraded line. And then we go off to this guy here. Okay. And I went to go buy a 26 for this. Well, now I feel dumb. Okay, so this all has this. Okay. Let me remember this. So this heavy tapered roller with this flat washer, okay, goes down in here. Oh man, let's put you down right here. Let's get this guy off. Okay. Nothing's on here. Okay, I'll probably clean this up because I bought some more better grease. And then what isn't here then? a rubber gasket, and a different bearing that. Okay. I'll pull this out and then we'll get to it. This is such a bag. Okay, that did it. There we go. This is trash. Okay, now we only have the spindle left. Not the spindle, but the hub. Which I might just clean this up a little bit because there's trash all over this, and I'm probably going to scoop out all of that and then repack it with new ones, and of course clean this out too. So I got this little guy right here, and then there we go. This bleeds a little bit through, but yeah. Okay. I'll put some new high temp grease, and I'm probably gonna wear a new glove and scoop that out because. Alrighty, so this just means we have to pack this with grease. I'm gonna just get clumps like I did last time, or clumps out of it. Put it in there. After that, we're gonna have to stroke this with a bunch of. But for now. I'm gonna pack this guy with a bunch of grease. Yeah. Yuck. I only say yuck because I don't do this all the time. Now it's more like I try to keep my remember, you guys gotta use proper technique. Okay. So we grab our caliper right here, we'll line this up with this, and to be honest, I think this is the only piece that will be bothering me. I will be running the dust shield, so I'll cut this up. I might just cut it up to like right there, and then see how it goes for me. Okay, so I butchered this up. I bent this and bent this because my cutting was just not going to work. I thought it was going to work, but the idea of it was that didn't work. Now this clears, this bottom piece clears, and it's starting to sprinkle right now, so I'm gonna rush through this really quickly on trying to put everything on, and then I will hopefully show it. But technically what we're gonna do is you're gonna put a spacer here, then the rotor, and then the new bolts that come in the Silver Mine Motors kit. But yes, and then we put it all back. But let me rush through this and hopefully I can keep taking some footage for you guys. Just to showcase you guys, hub, then this is the spacer, and then the 300ZX rotor. I'm trying to kind of go a little bit fast paced here, but you guys remember this part. I forgot to wear a glove because I gotta go and stroke that again. No, it's still, yeah, it is. I keep saying how I'm gonna stroke this guy. Yeah, yeah. Get it nice and lubed up in there. That's how some dude showed me on the internet, man. You also got to get this whole entire piece right here, and all of this right here, and all of that. And I'm like, oh my god.
Barking.
No, stop messing with him.
Yeah, because he was just stop. He's gonna bark, please.
I don't know how this goes now. I'm very confused. I mean, it pulled out easily. Okay, I forgot where I left off because we got pretty busy here, but we changed these out. So the rubber hose that goes here, then the hard line, that gets taken away. So you just put this in, works in just like that. You use the same hardware here. Again, I caught off a little bit. I was able to bend this and break it off. The other side I wasn't able to, but this side I was. Did that for the top and also the bottom. It's not a whole lot, so if you can keep this guy on, keep it on. I wish I could have, maybe, if I had a grinder, I would have grounded it down to like right here, but that's fine. Again, brake pads just slip in, the pin in here, push this down, then this pin goes in. And then that's pretty much it. As you can see here, everything works well. And I guess one thing that you should know about when putting this in is if you can't put it in correctly, because I had issues trying to center this in, or actually just push it all the way through, was because the center bearing kept going all the way and getting stuck halfway through. I was able to push it and get it all in there correctly. I went ahead and just like tapped it all in a circle or circular motion till it was all in there, and we're good to go. Now I won't be able to put these on here because, as you can see, there's not a lot of space here. This would actually hit. Actually, even if I gave it a try, let's see. Oh. Well, I guess it does fit. Huh. It said it wouldn't. Maybe it won't fully seat down. I don't see where it hits. Yeah, this should be oh, it's a 14. Supposedly you're not supposed to fit 14s on here. You're just gonna have to use 15 or bigger. I can see it poking here. I'm assuming it's hitting somewhere in this area here. Oh man. Alright. Well, hopefully you guys liked it. I'm gonna just finish this off. Actually, no, it's not even seated all the way through. But since I don't want to leave the car kind of chilling like this, oh man. Well, I'll just have to figure it out later on. But maybe I'll show you guys if I get enough time to show you with how the new wheels look. I'll show you. If not, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.